बॉलीवुड सेलेब्स ने किया भारत के ब्रेव सोल्जर्स को सलाम। Amid Indo-Pak tensions, Bollywood celebrities come in support of the Indian Armed Forces and their soldiers, जहां वो कर रहे हैं उनके करेज को सलाम। साथ साथ they are also praying for the brave hearts' safety। कहा, we all are one। Well, Bollywood definitely stands in solidarity। और इसमें सबसे पहले बात करते हैं संजय दत्त की, जिन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पर शेयर किया एक लंबा पोस्ट वेयर ही रोट, The relentless attacks on our people will no longer be tolerated. We will respond not with hesitation but with full force and unshakable resolve. The world must understand our battle is not against a people or a nation but against the terrorists who thrive on fear, chaos and destruction. Let there be no doubt we are not backing down this time. These terrorists are nothing but cowards hiding behind the veil of violence. They strike from the shadows but they will learn that we are a nation that does not bow. We rise stronger every time they try to break us. Our unity, our spirit and our will to fight back are far greater than their hate. I'm proud of our armed forces. They stand tall at the front lines, fearless and focused, answering every act of terror with courage and fire. They are not just defending borders, they are defending every child's dream, every family's peace and the soul of this nation. They are the true heroes and I salute each one of them. This is not just their fight, it is our fight. As citizens, we must stand together. We will not be intimidated. This battle may not end today, but our strength, our determination, and our unity are eternal. We stand ready, and if need arises, will serve in any way possible. We are one, we are strong, and we will not stop until peace is restored and justice is served. तो इसी के अलावा आलिया भट्ट की मॉम सोनी राजदान ने भी पोस्ट किया, Gratitude for those brave hearts who are fighting for our safety. You are all in our thoughts and prayers constantly. तो वहीं रिया चक्रवर्ती ने भी लिखा, From a Fauji daughter, I grew up watching my dad wear his uniform like second skin, calm, proud, ready. And I grew up watching my mom hold back tears like a soldier too. Being an army officer's daughter means you learn early. That love often looks like distance, that pride quietly holds hands with fear. Today I sleep safely in my home because someone else's father, mother, brother or sister is out there, standing at the border, standing tall. To every Army, Navy and Air Force family, waiting, hoping, praying, I see you, I feel you, I stand with you. From one Fauji home to another, sending love, strength and a salute. Jai Hind. तो वहीं नोरा फतेही ने भी इंडियन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के प्रति अपना शुक्रिया अदा किया एंड शी रोट, Dear Indian Armed Forces, in these challenging times, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for your unwavering courage, sacrifice and dedication. Your relentless efforts in protecting the borders, ensuring the safety and sovereignty of India does not go unnoticed. While the country goes through testing moments, your strength and commitment inspires us and gives us hope. Thank you for standing tall and guarding India with honor and pride. We pray for peace around the world and of course we pray for the protection and safety of India and the armed forces. Our true heroes, Jai Hind. तो वहीं अली फजल ने भी लिखा, Wishing our armed forces safety and courage in this time of war, Jai Hind. So वीर दास ने भी पोस्ट किया, Fog of war and proclamations aside, if you're looking for facts, this one solid fact holds true. Right now, in our armed forces, a Sikh, a Hindu, a Muslim, a Parsi, and a Christian defend India side by side. Not many countries get to say that. This is just a fact. Imagine how simple this fact is. You know, it's true, indisputable. Every member of every single one of these religions fight so that every one of the religions can show each other love and live right next to each other freely in our land. This fact has outlasted wars, regimes, pandemics, trends, tractions, leaders, disasters, and history. This is our path. This fact is what they preserve. Every single citizen, leader, journalist, whoever succumbs to the temptation of division would do well to remember what their defense defends. This is the India narrative. It is literally why India is great. It's why we are undeniable. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, this is a fact. Well, आज बॉलीवुड स्टैंड्स इन सॉलिडारिटी विद इंडिया एंड द इंडियन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस, और वो भी भारत के वीर जवानों को कर रहे हैं सलाम और उनकी सलामती की दुआ कर रहे हैं.